Have you ever wondered how we can model the world around us using computers? How can we design new materials, new medicines, or new systems with tools we are still learning to build? That journey is moving into the quantum era, and Africa is part of it. From February 13th to February 20th, 2026, the Mathematical and Computational Physics Unit at the Department of Physics KNUSC will host the African International Conference on Quantum Computing and Simulation. The event brings students, scientists, industry, policy leaders, people who code, people who research, plan and are curious about the future of computing together. The program runs for 7 days. There will be talks, roundtable discussions, lectures and poster presentations. Participants will explore classical and quantum algorithms, machine learning, quantum machine learning, simulation and national policy steps for building a quantum ecosystem in Africa. If you are a student in physics, mathematics, computer science, chemistry, medicine, engineering or related fields, if you're a researcher, faculty member, industrial partner or policymaker, this event is for you. Follow us on our website and on LinkedIn and YouTube for live streaming. Ask questions, connect and see how quantum can support solutions for the sustainable development goals. Join now and be part of the story of Ghana's quantum revolution.